Hey happy people. So oh my goodness, I almost didn't think this video was going to happen today. I was unable to get any of the footage off of my phone until literally the last minute last night. And finally it worked. Isn't that great? Anyway, so this summer my family and I took this little vacation just out of town and we stayed at the cutest little condo. It was so perfect. This condo was just clean and it was super inviting and it really just felt like someone cared about making this our home away from home. Well, that inspired me to make a little gift for them right there on their kitchen table just to say thank you. This is how it turned out. Please tell me what you thought about this little gift in the comments below. I hope you loved it. Please hit that like button if you did. YouTube definitely keeps track of it all, so it all helps. I hope you have the loveliest day today because you deserve it. Bye.